Hi guys, Lance Steele from the Maptek Adelaide office. Just going to go through a few improvements on the PointStudio 8, the upgrade from iSight Studio 7, some of the new functionalities. You'll notice straight away when you start PointStudio up that it's loaded on the new Maptek workbench. Basically, when you come into this view, there's a number of functions that look new and familiar. The first thing you'll notice is this PointStudio ribbon. Something that's quite nice here is being able to have different types of views. So if I go to the view properties and I select a single color, I can choose between a number of colors that may be of interest to me. Also, in addition to that, you can select different gradients. For example, if I chose something like a dark blue, so colors the top part blue, that's quite nice to actually just have some change in your view window. And finally, you can actually select a number of features such as sunrise, sunset, or midnight, for example. And this just gives you a perspective when you rotate. Something that's also quite nice is just two new quick fast keys. The first one is view scan from origin. If you hit the button O on your screen, it will come up looking something like this. And also another one is with our underground laser scanner, we've got imagery. So basically, if you go to home and photographic, it's this fast key here, control grave. So you go control grave, which is the button left hand side of the number 1 on the top number line in your keyboard. And you simply select it. And that'll change the scan from a intensity colored to an image. Moving on, you can also change the workbench from a ribbon to a menu. So that's the old menu option in case you are under pressure and you just need to remember where lots of functions are, but you can go back to the ribbon fairly simply. If, for example, you need to look for something, I can simply type in here something like translate, and it will tell you where it is. It's under the edit transform block. So if I go to edit and it's under transform, there it is over there. And finally, what we have is the ability to now undock windows. So basically, for example, what I can do here is just got a normal underground scan here. And if I wanted to, I can just tile and tie to the secondary window, so whatever I do in the one window, it does on the other. And the way we undock these views, we simply drag and drop to a secondary window like this. What we could also do is then go ahead and actually drag and drop that scan into a secondary window, something like that, and then tile and tie that window. And what we now have is the same scan in two separate windows, but you can do all your viewing and editing of data between the two windows. So this is viewed on two separate screens. So yeah, some improvements in the view. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at Maptek. Thank you.